So I'm back out at the lake. Beautiful out here. And I come to take apart the floor joists off the skid here, as well as to take those brackets off right there on the other side there too, and cut her down in half. It is 10-foot sections. I don't know if you can make that out. So it is 10-foot sections, and so I just gotta grind off the weld and then pop that bracket off, and away we go. But I got to also unbolt each one of these 2x4s as well. So basically what I'm doing, I'm jacking up one end, putting the block on the side, then jack up the other end, put the block on an end, and now I'll go over to the other side again and pop that one up on end. And then I'll do that in the middle section in 2 places, and then at the end. So yeah, once I get her up in the air, I'll show you how it is, how it goes, how it went. Beautiful out here. I'm by myself, so I got lots of time to do this. No rush, just enjoy the scenery and take my time. We'll see you soon. So, a little bit of update for today. I took apart a couple of those docks. I think I'm going to leave them together. Well, the remaining of them together. Because I think I'm going to make some kind of a deck, possibly. I don't know yet. I was planning on using the 2x6s, which isn't really a good size for floor joist, but it's only a small little place. And originally it was 2x4s, so I came pretty close to getting the cutting torch, but I didn't have to. I had a heck of a time getting one of the bolts out on that side, but it came apart actually pretty good. I didn't have to do any cutting. It's only welded on one side. He made a bracket kind of thing for the two to bolt together, so that's fantastic. Means I don't have to do any welding. So now all I gotta do is load it up. And the poor little bees are still going at it, eh? Oh well. So tomorrow, I'm going to dolly that, or pull that up on top of this one and take those boards off. I don't want to get too close to the bees. I don't want to push my luck. So I will film a little bit more tomorrow. Yeah. Have a good night, and away we go. I can see across the lake now.